What's up, guys? Welcome back to the house. Today I have a special video brought from some of our fans. The idea is we're throwing one of every single weight today, so each frame is going to be a different weight house ball. And today I have challenger Brandon Bonta.
Let's go.
Let's get to bowling. 6-pounder.
No money for you.
Hook! I almost left the 7-pin with that. I almost washed out. I have to throw the 6-pound at the spare too. All right. Today is going to be a race to 2. We're going to bowl 2 games. Hopefully I win them both. But if I don't, if we split and it's 1-1, we'll have a 9th, 10th frame roll up.
What a spare to start off with.
Last video we offered Brandon some money if he beat us. He didn't, so today we're going to continue offering him money. However, it's not going to be his total score because I'm not going to pay Brandon $400 when he wins. We're going to pay him the average of his 2 games if he can pull out the victory. So you can see some dollar signs lighting up every time he spares. Oh yeah.
Great start.
That's tough. I cheat when I do this. You can throw 2 balls at this if you want.
I'll break something if I throw.
Really? You think so? You're not well practiced enough?
I'm not well practiced enough.
All right. Damn, that was close. The bowling alley does not have a 7-pound ball, so we're going straight to 8. From 6 to 8. Game 1, we're gonna go 6 to 16. And then game 2, we're gonna go 16 down to 6. So the most important frames of the entire match are gonna be with 6-pound balls. It's just funny. It's like you bowl on heavy pins, you know? The ball slows down as it exits the pin deck. The spare's a make every time though, don't worry. Yo! 2.
Put myself in a hole early now. It's okay, I'll strike here.
You know, out of the 2 of us, you've probably messed around like this a time or 2.
6-pound ball champion.
He was the 6-pound ball champion for $1,000.
Go Brooklyn.
Called it.
That's what we needed. It's okay, I'll strike here. Come on.
Matt just had to hype him up by saying he was the 6-pound ball champion. Channeled it right back in. 8-pound strike. Now we got the 9-pounder.
Purple ball.
Yeah, they do.
Oh!
That's devastating.
Tough break.
I bet I could bounce this. Send the ball across the deck.
Yeah.
I keep pulling it down from the top. It's just not good. It's like the ball is like 9 pounds.
Oh! Tough break.
That one hurts in here. Sometimes you just make good shots and it doesn't pay off. You have the Brooklyn 210, and then I lace the spare shot. Brooklyn!
Oh, no.
Oh!
Hooked too much.
That is a tough spare if I've ever seen. You have to hit the right side, and you can't hit it too thin or it's gonna bounce off. Right now, I wouldn't wanna be you.
Do you throw a backup ball at it?
Oh, I might. I'd think about it, that's
No,
for
we'll
sure.
get spicy with it.
I give it some thought. The left side's always easier. Oh, no. No, no, no.
I tugged it and threw a backup ball.
You are the only one to strike, but you know, as they say, spares for dough, strike
Fine.
for show. This video today is brought to you by our sponsor, Element. Today, we're getting our electrolytes in. Super quick, I'm gonna rank the 8 flavors that come in this Element sample pack. So my bottom 2, or my least favorite, are the raw unflavored and the chocolate salt.
What's your favorite part of Element?
My favorite part of Element is that it's an easy way to get my electrolytes on the road when I'm doing all this travel. My next 2 are lemon habanero and the citrus salt. My next 2 are gonna be orange salt and mango chili. It's been super hot in Wichita lately when I've been working out with Andy. This is one of the easiest ways to replace all of that sodium, which there is 1,000 milligrams of sodium per pack. And then my top 2, my 2 favorites, the raspberry salt and the watermelon salt. Both of these flavors I just think are absolutely delicious. These are the ones that I drink probably every other day whenever I go and work out. Right now, Element is offering my viewers a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single serving packs free with any Element order. This is a great way to try all 8 flavors or share Element with a salty friend. You can get yours at drinkelement.com/house. That's gonna be DRINKLMNT.com/house. And for those of you who missed it, the link is also down below in the description. And now, let's get back to bowling. 10-pound ball, fireball. it just fits my hand perfectly. I always hit the pocket, that's why. And my wrist always feels like it's gonna explode when I'm done. I gotta make a spare, and it's not gonna be one-handed. Yeah, it is.
I love it.
You like that? I really tried to get low on that one.
I don't know if I can fit my thumb in this one. This might not come out.
Oh, what the heck was that?
Oh, I was kind of scared it was gonna get stuck on the thumb.
Good news is the higher up in weight we go, the bigger the finger holes get.
Yeah, so I know it won't stick.
Push.
Oh, am I gonna get 100 this game?
Plastic ball champion is going down. You might want to find another 11-pound ball. I'm just letting you know. These finger holes are small.
Oh my God. He's shaping them.
We talked about tryouts at Wichita State. This is my tryout line. 23 all the way out to like 13.
As long as I get a spare, I think I'll be okay.
Oh, that's pretty good. King of the Brooklyn.
Let's go.
So is this how Madison feels every video?
You know, when you hit the left side, you're gonna strike. It's just what happens. Right, Packy?
It's a guaranteed strike on the left side of the lane. Because the left side's always walled. Insert clip of merch. Buy if you want. Oh, that's hooking. I can take that. And that's why you play that line. Oh. Golly.
Yeah, baby.
I literally said if you just throw the same shot you just threw on your strike shot, but just throw it better, I did it. It just hooked a little bit. That's way better than mine. Oh. And that's why you go Brooklyn.
Bad thing is I shoot the spare.
Not feeling so confident on the 10 pin?
Not without the thumb in it. Can I fit a quarter of my thumb in the ball to make the spare?
Hey, that ball hooks, I'm telling you. I'm not saying that was a big time spare, but that was a big time spare.
That was a big spare that I flagged.
I could beat you one-handed.
Probably.
Watch and learn. Oh, boy. For some reason, I really thought that was going to strike. Golly. Oh. It's all right. I still got this match locked up.
He says that. We're getting into the heavyweights, though.
Wheel.
It hooked. Don't fall forward.
Oh. I needed that to fall. Like, even if you do win, you're going to get paid very little amount of money with these scores.
And I'm going to get like $12.
Uh-oh.
Yes!
Oh, wow.
Let's go.
Wow. The 13-pounder has always been a favorite of mine. Just like it really fits my hand well.
Stand up and fight.
To be honest, I don't know why I'm throwing these shots one-handed, but it seems like they're doing better than when I throw them two-handed. Oh my God. My finger legitimately slipped out of the ball.
Uh-oh.
I should have stuck to throwing it one-handed. That's the easier way to bowl. You heard me. Bang. All right, I'm in trouble.
Split the 8-9. Come on.
I'm officially down.
Let's go.
I'm not officially down, but I'm unofficially down.
All it took was 2 frames, 2 marks. We're there. We're there now.
9th frame, 15 pounds. Brooklyn. The heavier balls don't hook. Single pin redemption. I'm 0 for my last 2. The first ball has not been the issue. It's the second ball.
Oh!
It hooked again. Ah! Thank God that it stood up.
God, I thought that was a double. Hopefully I can make this single pin one-handed with my thumb in it.
Miss it. All right, I need a big 10th here. I can make this spare, but I really needed like a strike. Like I needed it. I got Brandon on the count factor, so spare strike here forces him to mark. Keyword, spare. Something about the middle of the lane, I'm telling you, the middle lane is on fire.
They're hooking.
I'm 0 for my last 5 frames. I felt good. Then I shot 120.
Crumbled this game.
Absolute collapse. My fingers
thumb
are
in
just
this one.
feeling like they have arthritis the further I go in.
Oh no!
Oh my God. He's gonna make this thing close. He needs a pin.
I didn't know I grabbed the 2X 16-pounder.
Yeah, sorry about that. I think that's all we got here.
So I need to keep it on the lane.
Well, you can keep it on the lane and still get 0. Just saying. Oh, you lucky dude.
Yeah, baby.
And he got a spare. To increase that average, try and get that money. Hypothetically speaking, we go into a 9th, 10th frame roll-up. What kind of weights are we using? 16 on the first, 6 on the second?
Yeah, we can do that, yeah.
All right. Game 1 winner due to an absolute collapse from me. I need to win the next game. Now we're going 16 pounds back down to 6 for game 2, and I need to win. Otherwise, I'll be paying the man. Oh. Striking is the easiest way to make your spares.
Amen.
I physically cannot stop missing right. I'm tracking over all the finger holes, yes.
That's what I was looking at.
Dump, 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 dump.
I think this is a strike ball.
Money. Early lead. You got this one easy.
Squeezing it at 200%.
Oh, and you hooked it a little bit? Wow. I'm impressed.
Oh yeah.
I'm impressed.
That makes us, what, 2 for 6 on single pin spares now?
Yeah, I'm still 0 for 4.
Oh, is that a
Money.
double?
Oh!
That one hurt the soul.
God, why did I say money when the ball was halfway down the lane? Money. Golly.
You spare it? Nope.
I gotta change up the strategy. The whole going across the middle of the lane thing is just not for me. Ooh.
Oh. Come on. It's working. Until I can't fit my thumb in the ball, then we're going back.
Then
to
you're gonna have to hook it a little bit.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
That was money the whole way.
Yeah. I got a bank on the back half of this game, him really messing out. I need to make my single pins. I need to make it.
Looking at your conversion rate to the last 7 frames, it's not very likely.
It's 0% apparently.
Oh, shooter.
I can make spares too. I can do it too. He's got to go back to hooking it, which has proven to be a challenge for both of us.
Don't get on
put
my
his
thumb.
thumb in. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Great shot.
Oh.
Great shot. I'm back in the game. I'm back in the game. This is my time. Oh my God, my finger slipped out of the ball. Ah! Ah! My middle finger literally slipped out and went back in. Oh, that's Brooklyn. That's good. If you're watching on your cell phone, this is a time for you to put your hand up in the comments. My hand will be up in the comments.
I don't know how they didn't strike.
Please, miss.
Oh, I might have.
Oh, I want a chocolate milk. I'll take 1 large glass of Element, today's video sponsor.
What a collapse the last 2 frames. Let me tell you. This is the worst barn burner you want to get into. Who can miss the most spares? This is what it's come down to. Oh, stand up 9 pin. Ooh, come on.
Dang, that was a good shot. Money. I figured it out. I told you guys, and I'll say it again, I'm not missing a spare for the rest of the day.
Here.
For the rest of the match, not the rest of the day. I could beat you one-handed, it's so easy. I'm kidding, I'm not saying that ever again. Yes. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Come on.
That's the last thing I need is a bunch of Brooklyns.
Come on. Come on, 510.
I feel like I finally found the groove. I'm throwing it good. I went Brooklyn on purpose, just like I said.
All right.
Spares.
This 1-2 pocket looks real nice right now. Oh, I hit the 3-2 pocket.
1-2 pocket? I thought you hit the 6-7 or
Yeah, that was
4-7 pocket. Is that a 4-7? That's the 4-7.
Yeah, that is. Over rotated the fingers on that one.
That's a tough spare. Good 2. It's a good 2 though. Good too.
Fine.
That puts me back in position. 10-pound ball. You know what that means. The rocket. Oh. All right.
I'm gonna buy that ball. Just give it to you for Christmas.
As long as you engrave my name on the top, I'm fine with that.
Oh, he's locked.
4 for 4.
4 for 4.
I am in trouble.
We're looking like a 9th, 10th frame roll off is going to be where we're headed.
I'm gonna have to throw some strikes.
Oh, wow, what the?
Come on. A little tink on the 10 pin. That's what we need right there. Maybe I just found myself a little groove.
9 pounds. I'm really banking on the fact that this is a small finger hole, and that'll be tough for Brandon to deal with.
Oh,
come on!
God.
That was huge. The physics tell me I gotta hit a little higher on the head pin to get a little less deflection. That's what I did. Uh-oh. Oh no, not a 10 pin. Mine fell so yours could stand, you know what I'm saying?
Unbelievable.
That would have been a massive strike for you.
It would have been.
It really stinks. Oh,
Woo! Skinny jeans.
we got the 8 and the 6 left. I just need you to do the right thing.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh no. That's
Good game.
the ball game.
Good game.
First double in the match.
Was that really the first
That
double?
was
in
the first double of the match.
I mean, spares for dough, strikes for show. It's a tough life when you can do both, you know? Oh, yikes. That's tough. You did self-talk it right into getting 2. Wow. We're gonna use a 16 and a 6. Yeah, this ball feels light.
Oh my God, he almost tripled.
The ball definitely went in front of the 7. We have established ourselves a roll-off here. We have our 9th, 10th frame roll-off coming up, and there's one question that we have to ask. Now, we've asked this to many people before. Brandon, do you want to go first or second?
I want to go second.
They always make me go first. 16-pound ball in the 9th frame, 6-pound ball in the 10th frame. I feel like I'm at the advantage with the 6-pounder, but at the disadvantage with the 16. So.
Oh! Stand up, 9 pin. Stand.
I was thinking
Stand
that
up,
didn't fall. This
please.
is a make every time. Oh my God.
Oh!
Yikes! Yeah, it's just really hard to go from the 6-pounder straight to the 16. It just feels very heavy. I would have liked at least 2 on that, to be honest. 7 out could be a count issue coming later. Quarter number 6, is that the amount of pins you're gonna get?
Maybe.
I need him to get 0 here. I need 0 from you. God, why didn't I get like 2? 1. Ay, 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 ay.
Clutch.
This is not good.
Oh!
Oh my God, with the corner pin. This is an ultimate collapse. An ultimate collapse. I think I'm all right when you gradually go up in weight, but when you go from top to bottom to top, it's just not good.
Oh.
That was
Shot.
That was massive. I should have just done that on the first. Oh my God. That's horrible count. Golly. 25?
Oh. 24.
You need 2.
What a bad
Oh my
night.
God.
2 to win, 1 to tie, and then we'll go again to another 9th, 10th frame roll-off. I hope you get 1. Or none. Oh. Oh.
It was a pleasure.
It's a pleasure, bowling.
That was great.
That count was huge. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We owe Brandon a little bit of cash, so if you guys could help out, click that subscribe button down below. And as always, Follow along for more fun videos like this one.